Hello everyone, and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm excited that you've gone ahead and clicked on this video. I hope that you enjoy it and that you will go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, free for you, and helps me quite a lot. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Now, today's video. Unboxing a Chanel handbag that I have had my eyes on for some time. It was released in 2020. Therefore, I would have to purchase it from the resale market. I've been looking, and I had made myself the promise that I was not going to pay over retail and that I had to get it in really, really beautiful condition. And I found it. So if you're interested in checking out what my new handbag is, just keep on watching. She came in this bag. I know this is not the original dust bag. However, any guesses? Let's go ahead and unbox her. This is a definite hint, and it is the Chanel Deauville Tote, medium size with the beautiful pearls. And let me give you a little whirl. Front, side. Here is the back and the other side. This is a 2020 handbag released spring-summer 2020 collection. And I love the Deauville. If you've watched me for a while, I had a small Deauville that I really enjoyed, but I've never had the medium, and I really wanted to get the medium. And when I saw this pearl one, I was like, I absolutely love it. Now, it may be a nightmare for some because it is very, very light colored, therefore a magnet for dirt. However, I absolutely love it, and I love wearing my bags. Okay, enough. Let's talk a little bit about this bag first of all. It's got the beautiful Chanel logo right in the front, all in faux pearls, Chanel Paris. The handles are in the beige lambskin trim. And then it has the chain straps, which are also made of the same fabric as the bag, has the chain intertwined, and then the top is your leather strap. The inside is all very, very light beige, like a cream color. It has this right here where you can clip on different things, little pochette, etc. And the interior is just a big, open, wide interior. It does have 3 pockets here. If you look right here, there's 1, there's 2 right there, and then the third one is on the side. It also has the zippered compartment right over here. Chanel, made in Italy. And yeah, this is her. Now, I will say the very first thing that I did once I ordered this bag, once I purchased this bag, was immediately Zoomoni organizer. And I'm going to do a separate video. I'm going to show you what fits in my bag what I carry in my bag, and why I use the Zoomoni organizer, which I've already gone ahead and put in there. Essential. I think it's really essential for this bag to have the Zoomoni organizer. So yeah, this is my brand new bag. I am so excited. I will go ahead and insert some mod shots for you. I know that many others have this bag, but in case you're interested in finding one in excellent condition at a good price, I figured you would enjoy checking this out. Let me give you the measurements in case you're interested. Now, I did get the measurements off a fashion file, and then I measured it myself, and they seem to be correct. So the length of the bag is 15.25 inches. The height of the bag is 11.75, and the width is 7.75. It's pretty wide. And then the drop from the handle to here is 3.5, and then the drop on the strap is 13 inches, so it will fit over your shoulder comfortably. Again, I will go ahead and follow up with a what fits in this bag, what I carry in the bag, and why I am using the Zoomoni organizer. Well, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions, and I am gonna follow up, like I said, with another video on this and the organizer. Editing Isabel here. Just wanted to let you know, I also own the Chanel Deauville in the medium size, or I think it's the small, I'm not sure, in the leather version. So I also will do a comparison for you in case you are trying to decide if you want the leather or if you want the mixed fabrics one. Have a great day. Bye.